As I mentioned earlier, the topic that we're going to discuss is about the user interface of Primavera P6 version 20.12. But before this, let me show you all the topics that we need to discuss in order to attain our main objective. What's our main objective? Of course, for you to learn the creation or how to create the baseline program. So ito yung mga topics: database, Primavera P6, the enterprise product structure or EPS, and of course, the baseline program. So ito yung mga kailangan nating matapos o yung target ko na ma-discuss sa inyo para pagkatapos ng course natin, magkaroon kayo ng basis na makakatulong sa paggawa nyo ng inyong capstone project specifically. Okay, so yung database diniscuss ko sa previous 2 videos, and today now going to discuss the user interface. And mapapansin nyo yung tatlo dun sa unahan, 1, 2, 3, kailangan maintindihan nyo yan. Hindi naman siya mahabang topic, kailangan nyo lang intindihin kasi dun lagi kayo mag-start, of course. Then doon sa ating final meeting, focus na lang tayo sa programming talaga. Okay?